Even in the era of virtual reality and super powerful computers, real models still have an important role in development. Automobile companies use clay. We chose light cardboard for rapid prototyping. Allow us to present the first real model of our cabin.
The result of the calculation and modeling need to be verified in the real world. Before making the cabin for our plane out of real materials, we started with the cardboard mockup. And this first mockup already helped us a lot, for example, with dimensioning the cabin for maximum passenger comfort. I choose Zuri because here I have the only opportunity to make whole plane. I mean, if I work someone else, for example, companies like Airbus or Boeing, I'm pretty sure that I have to spend ages to design simple things like boards, switches and throttle and stick. But here in Zuri I can work on really revolutionary hybrid VTOL airplane. This relatively quickly designed cardboard mockup has several advantages compared to modeling on computer. For example, we can invite different pilots here and discuss with them the dimension of the cockpit and location of the controls, exits and stuff. The most challenging is complexity, because what you are doing is somehow connected to the other things and it has to be in some kind of harmony.